con los terroristas.
Hi, first hour. We are going to make rice crizzles. Now, some of you guys may be wondering, what does it take to make a rice crizzle? Well, Ayana's going to tell you.
First, we're going to put half a stick of butter into a heated pan so it can melt. Stir it. Now you stir it. It's already melting. Ha ha ha.
Is that really how you mix it?
Come
on, this is gonna be on TV. What?
Ew, it smells.
Butter.
It smells.
You can't tell the people that or else they won't buy our
It
product.
smells great. That's what I meant.
Home videos. Hannah, what's happening?
What am I supposed to do?
What's happening in here?
It's melting very well.
Next, we're going to use marshmallows to form a cohesive substance for the Rice Krispies to stick together.
Haley, you should use the small ones.
Why?
They have a smaller surface area, so it'll melt faster.
You're so smart sometimes. I wonder why you do better than me on quizzes.
Immediately after the marshmallows have melted, we put the Rice Krispies in so that the melted marshmallows don't have time to harden.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
You sure?
Wait, maybe not! Due to the fact that we had a large amount of Rice Krispies, we just increased the ratio of smaller marshmallows.
Make sure to spray the pan thoroughly to avoid the viscosity of the marshmallows.
You wanna help the girl out?
I got you, friend.
And then you scoop the Rice Krispies. You want to make sure that when you even out the layers, you spray the wax paper with the spray.
Voila!
And that's how you make rice crizzles. And then me and my dogs can do their tricks. Shake. Good boy, Finn. That's all.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Snap, crackle, Rice Krispies. I say it's crackle.